No, duck. This is duck. Nine signal. Wow. What is it? Time factory? At my unit. What? You got the knife, the clock, the mech, and the spear and the spear. Let's go to time factory. Guys, I'll be the first. I'll focus on money. You guys will defend. I don't have enough money to place my scientist clock man. What do you want? Then just mind your own business. I mean business. What is your godly? Never mind. What is your godly? Do you have enough money to place it? Oh, okay. Skip! I need money! Okay. Oh no! What's it? We get a delay for tape. Assassin Toilet, do you want some of my gayak? Okay, come with me. I got something. It's very sus. But it's inside here. It's here. Let's go. Oh no, why won't you let them in? Because I got some gayaks in here. Gayaks. Such big L to those two guys. Bacon guy. Do you have enough money to play something that is good? Like a Titan? Okay. We're gonna die at. Good thing I got some reinforced clock barriers. We're gonna die. I think we're gonna die. Because look how much space, man. I can place my guardian clock. Why is there no units? Cotton place my future. you cannot sell it? Oh, I'm sad. I can almost close now. He said cannot place my future. You cannot. What? What do you mean chicken? Do I look like a chicken to you? No! No! My skin doesn't look like a chicken! What do you mean, chicken? There's no chickens here! Give me a bike? I don't have a bike. I have a bike, but I don't use it anymore. It's broken. Yes, Grad? What's Grad? Oh no, we're gonna die kasi pabo. Hiwang tayong sino para harin niya. Bye-bye, the same mo. What, I am Venom? I am Venom? I am Venom. I am Sigma Mu Alpha Wolf. Nah, you're kinda like Mango. I'll call you Banana. You are centimeters. I mean, no. It's not centimeters. I'm gonna call you, Kaloy. Because I'm not a chicken. I'm not a fried chicken, bro. It's been 10 million years. It's not even 10 million years. You're gonna be a banana today. I'm gonna cook you for dinner. And I finally upgraded Titan Present Man. Oh wait, I didn't know. Oh, never mind. I thought Titan Present Man is actually is now upgraded from the new update thing. What? No, I'm not a chicken. Stop calling me a chicken. No, I'm not a chicken, bro. Don't stop calling me. No, I'm not a chicken. Stop calling me chicken. Stop following me. Stop following me, chicken brat. Kaloy is chicken? No! What, I'm not a chicken? I'm not a chicken? Stop calling me chicken, bro. No, I'm suffering from chickens. You are Titi? You are Titi? Teleport to your nuts. Okay, Mika. I'm getting mad. Look, I'm gonna be like this if you do that again. I'm gonna be like this is taking too long. I'm gonna die. Why did you I will place my cake and cinnamon. I don't have to go. Get a place. Oh! Let's wait until it comes. Oh, this is long. Good thing I upgraded my Maybe we'll get the easier way. Okay, let's go down. It's not much. We gotta wait until this come near our base. Come near. Yes. We are winning. Yes, 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 yes. Are we gonna win? Are we gonna win? Gonna win? We did it! 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 That is all. It's long, but I like it. I'm gonna open this. Let's see what will I get. Bro, don't you dare laugh at me.